Machike nyakura moge jwango kinyi makawuono ichewe yo machalo nade. Kadiponi riri kodwa wang jowi mari Ramogi kinyi makawuono maen cheno mar mbako romo. Magoro sani biro ni achiel kachiel kawuok e chuny boma Nairobi kama weche mathoth timore odiochiengni makawuono. Wan gi paro twak matwago odiochieng makawuono kachiel kod mago matimore oko mar twak ma wan go kinyi makawuono. Mana kaka pile cheno mar mbako romo wakelo ni gigo matimore kor gwenge to matimore bombe bende ok wawe oko. Machiegni chenro nyinga Cleophas Oloch Jakisumo kanya kwar mokeo nyaka sango to kawuono ne watwak ewi wechego mag twak e kind Raila Odinga kod William Ruto. To motenore gi mano antiere kod wendo mana bende kaka neno ka achiel kachiel wadhi bedo kae ka watwak kode mano Mesha Kodede ma bende en jalony e wechego mag siasa. Wada bedo kode ka mondo watwak gi achiel kachiel okinyi makawuono. To kapok abiro kade Mesha Kodede watere achiel kachiel nyaka mano dogo ma Milimani mantiere buo Nairobi kae mondo mwawinja ne chal mar wach en mane nyaka sani. Chik omenda koro ni e doho. En doho maduong' mogik mang'ur manochwal kata kod riwruoge mopogore opogore ka gikwedo ng'eto manochiw kod doho no mar apil mano wacho kanyo ni oyo sirkal koro nego ket e tim chik omenda. Wawinjane kaka wechego timore achiel kachiel kowuok e doho ma Milimani buor Nairobi.
Who is for the second petition?
May it please the court. My name is Eliud Matindi. I'm the second petitioner in this matter. I was offered the opportunity to appear virtually because I would have been out of jurisdiction. But since I'm around, I opted to appear in person.
Okay.
I'm a litigating person as well.
Thank you. Fourth petitioner? Who is for the fourth petition?
May it please the court. My name is Mr. Benson Otieno. I'm the fourth petitioner in petition E181. I'm appearing in person.
Fifth petitioner?
May it please this court. My name is Leangi Moigoro. I'm the fifth petitioner in petition E181 of 2023.
Sixth petitioner?
Good morning, Your Lordships. My name is Ogada. I hold brief for Senior Counsel Okongo Mogeni. Senator Mogeni is on record for the sixth petitioner.
Okay, the respondents. Cabinet Secretary for National Treasury and Planning.
Sorry to come
Yes.
late.
Sorry.
My name is Okio Mtoto Koichi, the first petitioner.
Okay. First respondent, Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury and Planning.
May it please you, my lords, my lady. My name is Shadrach Mose, the Solicitor General, appearing for the Minister and the Attorney General, together with Kirau Kimani, Senior Counsel, Charles Mutinda, Chief State Counsel, Hassan Nura, holding brief for Mahat, and Sekwe, Principal State Counsel. Thank you, my lords.
Okay. The National Assembly.
Please, my judges, my name is Itonga Bulgara. I appear with Mr. Mwendo and Mr. Tuyoni, and we represent the third and fourth respondents, the National Assembly, the Speaker of the National Assembly.
Thank you. The Commissioner General, Kenya Revenue Authority, is the first interested party.
Yes, good morning, my lords, my lady. My name is Wamboi Nganga. I do appear with Paul Muhoro, George Ochieng, and Kelvin Juma for the commission.
Who appears for the Senate?
Morning, my lords. My name is Cecil Miller. I appear with Peter Wena and Mercy Wangeshi for the Senate.
Consumer Federation of Kenya as a third interested party in that matter. Kenya Export Flori. Yes.
I've been requested to all brief for Mr. Karauka.
And Kenya Export Floriculture, Horticultural and Allied Workers Union as the fourth interested party.
Good morning, my lord, my lady. My name is David Omolama, appearing in person for the fourth interested party.
Okay, we go to E213. Yes?
In the matter, my name is Minyeri. I do appear for the fifth intended interested party. I'm on record.
We haven't called those ones out. Have a seat.
Thank you.
E217 of 2023, Clement Edward Onyango as the petitioner.
Your Lordship and Lordship, my name is Cherongis. I appear for the petition, the only petition in them.
Okay. National Assembly is the first respondent.
I am Mr. Chigoyot.
The first respondent, Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury and Planning. Second respondent, sorry.
May it please you, my Lord, Shadrach Mose, Solicitor General, together with Kirau Kimani, Senior Counsel, Charles Mutinda, Hassan Nura, and Sekwe.
And I believe you're also acting for the Attorney General.
Correct, my Lord.
Thank you. Petition number E219 of 2023, Paul Saoke. Have a seat. Paul Saoke, petitioner.
May it please you, my Lord, my lady. My name is Arua. I appear for the petitioner in that matter together with Mr. Bryson Ometo and Maren Adunga.
National Assembly.
My Lord, my lady, Kilu for the National Assembly.
Mr.
Kilu.
Kilu. Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury and Planning.
My Lord, Shadrach Mose, Solicitor General for the Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury. My Lord, in the same vein, I also act for the Attorney General, together with my colleagues that I've mentioned before.
You have to mention them for the record. Yeah?
Much obliged, my Lord, Kiragu Kimani, Senior Counsel, Charles Mutinda, Hassan Nura, holding brief for Mahad, and Sekwe, Principal State Counsel.
Petition number E221 of 2023, Law Society of Kenya, first petitioner.
May it please you, my lord, my lady. In the matter, my name is Eric Theory. We do appear together with Ms. Faith Odhiambo, the Vice President of the Law Society, Mr. Noel Goloma, and Ms. Ludia Luther.
National Assembly as the first respondent.
May it please you, my lords and my lady. My name is Akama. I hold the brief for Mr. Atingo for the first respondent.
Kenya Revenue Authority as the second respondent.
Lord Wamboi Nganga, appearing with George Ochieng, Paul Muhoro, and Kelvin Juma.
Attorney General.
May it please you, my Lord, Shadrach Mose, the Solicitor General, appearing for the Attorney General, together with Kiragu Kimani, Senior Counsel, Charles Mutinda, Chief State Counsel, Hassan Nura, holding brief for Mahat, and Sekwe, Principal State Counsel. Thank you, my Lord.
Petition E227 of 2013, Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Alliance, as petitioner.
Yes, may it please you, my lords, my lady. My name is Paul Mwangi. I appear together with Ms. Wangui Njoroge for the petition.
Attorney General.
May it please you, my Lord, Shadrach Mose, the Solicitor General, appearing for the Attorney General, together with Kiragu Kimani, Senior Counsel, Charles Mutinda, Chief State Counsel, Hassan Nura, holding brief for Mahat, and Sekwe. Thank you, my Lord.
Petition E232 of 2023, Robert Gavongo Kamwara as petitioner.
May it please you, my Lord and my lady. My name is Robert Kamwara, petitioner in the matter, acting in person, and an advocate to the High Court.
Cabinet Secretary, Treasury and Planning, and Attorney General, first and second respondents in the matter.
May it please you, my Lord, Shadrach Mose, Solicitor General, appearing for the first and second respondents, together with Kiragu Kimani, Senior Counsel, Charles Mutinda, Chief State Counsel, Hassan Nura, holding brief for Mahat, and Sekwe. Thank you, my Lord.
The National Assembly.
Yes, Your Lordship. If it pleases you, Ms. Omwom, I'm present for the third respondent.
Petition E234 of 2023, Trade Unions Congress as the first petitioner.
May it please the court. My name is Kayugira. I hold brief for Mr. Omoya for the petitions. All the four petitions.
Thank you, Mr. Kayugira. Cabinet Secretary, Treasury and Planning, National and Honorable Attorney General, first and second respondents.
May it please you, my Lord, Shadrach Mose, Solicitor General, appearing for the first and second respondent, together with Kiragu Kimani, Senior Counsel, Charles Mutinda, Chief State Counsel, Hassan Nura, holding brief for Mahat, and Sekwe, Principal State Counsel. Thank you, my Lord.
National Assembly.
Your Lordship, Ms. Omwom, I'm present for the third respondent.
The Senate.
May it please you, my Lord. Cecil Miller, appearing with Peter Wena and Mercy Wangeshi.
And E237 of 2023. That is Dr. Frederick Ogola as the first petitioner. Nicholas Kombe. Stanislaus Alusiola, Herima Chao Mwashigadi, Dennis Wendo, Mercy Nabwire, Bernard Ogola, Nancy Otieno, Mohamed Dube, Cabinet Secretary, National Treasury, and Attorney General in the matter.
May it please you, my Lord. My name is Shadrach Mose, State Solicitor General, appearing together with Kiragu Kimani, Senior Counsel, Charles Mutinda, Chief State Counsel, Hassan Nura, holding brief for Mahat, and Sekwe, Principal State Counsel. Much obliged, my Lord.
Thank you. National Assembly.
May it please the court, and Ms. Otieno for the third respondent.
Commissioner General, Kenya Revenue Authority.
Wambui Nganga, appearing with George Ocheng, Paul Muhoro, and Kelvin Juma.
Thank you. I hope we have gone through all the matters, all the petitions that have been filed, and that were sent to us by the Chief Justice.
My Lord, with your kind permission, if I may seek your directions, there are other matters which were filed and which we were made to understand will be dealt with together, but which were not included in the list.
If they're not here, the Chief Justice has not given us the order, so we'll not deal with them.
Thank you.
We wait for the Chief Justice to deal with them, but we'll only deal with the ones that are here before us.
Yes. There's a matter.
Name, you introduce yourself.
My name is apologies.
Yes.
I appear with Ms. Munengi for first to fifth petitioners in E228. It's listed on the order for mention.
E228.
Nakwamo ke juang mano bura mabiro kanyachiel kachiel bende awachoni ka kinde ma joyal buche adek bende korontiere karakacha ne ochuoga bura ma kamano yakwamo ke juang ka erango jogo mano chwalo ng'ur margi e do kotenore kod ng'eto mar dono mano mar apil mano yiene sirkal mondo mikoro odhi nyime. Wacho ni giketo gigi duto chope yo moro makare. Joyal bucha man kanyo duchieng' makawuono oting'o Justice David Majanja mantiere kar kanyo, kachielo koda ka Justice Lawrence Mogambi, kachielo machielo bene mantiere kar kanyo Christine mano Justice Lady Justice Christine Meoli, ma bende igeno kanyo ni bende biro chiwo ng'eto ma kinde mabiro. Sani tumo mana bura makamano e doho ma Milimani kinde ma pod gidhi nyime kanyo kod Ramogi juang ka weche pod thoth mantiere kar kacha jogo mano chwalo ng'ur magi mano moting'o kacha Eliud Matindi, Michael Otieno, Okia Omtata, Senator Mabusia, e kind joma moko ma bende oting'o kar kanyo kod Ramogi juang riwruoge okinde